No, I've seen this.
We're going to boiler room.
We're on.
Oops.
I piss. Hold, I ain't Romeo and now hold. Hold.
Is it a video?
It's always a video with me on. It is always a video.
Joe, I ride a shotgun, the driver's unknown. Two wheel, two men, one spent compared, let's see if he gets home. Skeet, 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 see man run like I ain't involved.
In the taxi.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Go. And go.
Can you see that it's bent?
What's wrong with your key, Ella?
It's a wee bit bent.
So I got arrested, really visible.
Like you even.
Go.
It's like Pam.
Yeah, that's tough.
Hello.
Vlog, and this time it's in our home city of Belfast.
Oh, it is.
We are
Oh, it
ready
is.
to rock, you guys. We're gonna have a very exciting night.
We're officially heading to the boiler room.
That's all from us in the studio.
I look hot.
Isn't she attractive?
Come on, you're in the vlog now. What's your name? Very good, very good. Stop this thing.